Hello everyone, welcome back to the fishing channel. Wow guys, look at that, it's a mouse. It's so chubby, everyone. It's out here catching fish. Look over there. It has found a patch of water grass, everyone. Guys, there's a giant white fish down here. Wow, look at that. What a surprise. I caught a white catfish, everyone. It's so huge. This is a monster catfish, guys. Wow, it's gigantic. I'm going to put it into my fishing bucket now. Wow, it's so big, everyone. Guys, I found this yellow frog. Look at it. What kind of frog is it, everyone? It might be a bullfrog, guys. But its yellow color is really special. This is the first time I've ever seen one like this, everyone. What is that, everyone? I found a fish. Look at it, it's pink. Wow, it's a baby shark, guys. This is a white freshwater shark, everyone. It even has red eyes. And look over there. Wow, that's a black freshwater shark. These little sharks are searching for food along the stream, everyone. Guys, there's a little frog sitting on this rock. Look at it. It's so chubby, everyone. Let me think for a moment. Wow, that's a pit frog. Guys, a white tree frog. Oh, look. It jumped away, everyone. It jumped so fast. I'm going to catch it and put it into my fishing bucket. It has very big eyes, everyone.
Get him!
Guys, I found this fish. Look at it, it's yellow. It looks like an eel, everyone. Oh wait, no, that's a bitter fish. Look at all those spines on its back. It has so many of them. This is a dinosaur fish, everyone. Wow, what an amazing fish. Guys, what are those creatures? Look at them. One is yellow and the other one is black. Guys, those are Mexican salamanders axolotls. The yellow one only has 3 legs. It has a mutation, everyone. And look at the black one over there. I'm going to take them home and put them into my aquarium. Guys, I found a giant lizard. Look at this, everyone. That's a South American lizard, guys. Where is it going? It's going fishing, everyone. Wow! Look at that. It's so huge, guys. What an amazing giant lizard. Guys, I found a group of Ranchu goldfish. Look at them, they're so colorful. There are 3 of them, everyone. One is white and pink, and another one is red. Wow, There's also an orange one. They look really unusual and beautiful, everyone. Guys, I found 2 giant common goldfish. Look at them. They're as big as my hand, everyone. Wow, one of them has a big round black eye. It looks so funny and adorable, guys. These goldfish are really huge and beautiful.
Wow, did you see that?
Wow, I found another giant Ranchu goldfish. Everyone, look at it. It's so big, guys. And its head is very red and huge. It has a really big head growth.
Amazing.
I'm going to put it into my fishing bucket now, everyone. Wow!
Amazing. Wonderful.
Guys, I found a catfish. Look at this. It's an ornamental catfish.
What?
Everyone, a panda catfish. Wow! It's swimming really fast. Look at it go. I found a turtle, everyone.
Oh, beautiful.
Look at it. It has a bright yellow shell. Wow, guys.
Amazing.
And what's that over there? Oh, wow. There's a black turtle, too. I found a whole group of turtles, everyone. Wow. Look at that turtle. That's a stone turtle, guys.
Okay,
What
let's
an
go.
amazing find. Look at that. It's so huge, guys. Wow. Just look at its size. What an amazing giant yellow turtle, everyone. Guys, that's a blue perch fish. It's the first time I've ever seen one like this, everyone. And look over there. Under the leaf. Wow, guys, that's a giant parrotfish. Look at its bright orange color. I'm going to catch it and put it into my fishing bucket, everyone. What an amazing find. Guys, that's an eel. Wow. Look at that. I caught it, everyone. It's an eel. Look how long and slippery it is. What an amazing catch, guys. Guys, I found a giant green frog. Look at it. Its arms and legs are really long, everyone. Wow, this is the first time I've ever seen a green frog like this. Guys, what kind of frog is it, everyone? Guys, I caught a freshwater fish. Wow, it's a gourami, everyone. Look at it. And inside that leaf, wow, there's a giant fish. Look at that. Its mouth is really wide, guys. I know what it is now. I found a group of red-tailed catfish, everyone. I'm going to take them home and put them into my aquarium. Wow, there are 3 giant ones, guys.
Amazing.
Guys, that's a crocodile.
What?
It's a baby crocodile, everyone. Who caught this crocodile and put it into this blue bucket, guys? Oh! I'm I'm so scared, everyone. Now we're going to take all the animals home and put them into the giant aquarium at my house. Guys, I'm going to release the giant parrotfish into the aquarium. Look at it. It looks so happy swimming around. Wow, that's a yellow Mexican axolotl. Everyone, look at it. It's swimming. Tomorrow, we'll continue catching fish and discovering more amazing animals together. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video, everyone. Bye bye.